ePayPolicy integrates with Veruna to make your payment processing seamless. It's really as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give your clients easy access to your integrated payment page, whether on your website, email signature, or invoice. On the payment page, clients will enter their account number and postal code to access their open invoices. Then they'll select which invoices they want to pay and have the option to make partial payments per invoice as needed. They can pay with any major credit card or with ACH. Both you and the payer will receive an e-receipt displaying the account number and the amount paid. This information will also be accessible within the ePayPolicy dashboard. Additionally, a cash receipt will automatically be created in Veruna against the policies of the paid invoices. As you can see, the integration really does streamline your receivables. Trust me, your accounting team will love this. Contact us to learn more about the Veruna integration today.